At Telstra, employee safety is paramount. To find a suitable replacement for extension ladders, we recently conducted a trial of the Branach PowerMaster with the Terrain Master Stabiliser. As a result of this trial, all 6.4 metre extension ladders currently in service will be phased out and replaced with Branach ladders. Any extension ladders currently identified as unfit for use can also be replaced. Let's demonstrate how to deploy the Branach ladder off the vehicle. Slide the ladder back to a position where you can safely reach it from the ground. Deploy to the first default position using this button. With both sides deployed, that is the minimum position the stabiliser must be in. This doubles the width of the base of the ladder. The stabiliser base can then be tripled by deploying to the next setting. This is done by depressing the red buttons and extending the outriggers to the next position. The ladder is now ready to be lowered to the ground. Once on the ground, check that the stabiliser is locked in place. The ladder can now be moved to the work area. A pivot point denotes the centre of the ladder for safe manual handling. A quick daily inspection should be carried out at this point every time you use the ladder. 1. Inspect stiles for visual damage. 2. Inspect rungs are tight. 3. Inspect latch runs freely. Once at the work area, in this case a pole, the ladder should be set to a slope of 75 degrees. The label on the side of the ladder shows the correct angle. The use of a belly rope is still a mandatory requirement when climbing any ladder on a pole. The Terrain Master Stabiliser provides stability, eliminates lateral twist and sideways movement. It levels and stabilises while providing a safe work area on uneven ground. The base can be set to a width of 925mm to 1440mm. Leg height can be adjusted to 305mm, and it copes with a slope of up to 15 degrees. If the ground surface at the base of the pole is uneven, the stabiliser can be adjusted simply by turning the cogs. A demonstration of the easy latch operation. 1. Put rope under the lug of the easy latch. 2. Pull rope to extend the ladder. 3. Engage the latch at the required rung. 4. Disengage the latch by lifting the lug and let the rope slide through the guide brackets till lowered. In this demonstration, we will show you how the stabiliser can be used in a working at customer's premises scenario. In circumstances where the ladder is placed on uneven ground, or there are objects preventing the ladder from being used in the vertical position, the stabiliser will prevent any sideways movement. The levelling ability of the Terrain Master can be used in both positions. Here, we have it in position 1. Simply take the weight off the ladder and adjust by rotating the cog until the ladder is vertical. For extra stability, the legs can be adjusted to the fully extended position. When returning the ladder to the vehicle, stand the ladder against the roof rack with Terrain Master deployed. Lift onto your van. To close Terrain Master, ensure the cogs are fully wound in, then lock the outriggers in place. Return the legs to the closed position. Attach to the van securely. Quick tips. Always ensure the stabilisers are deployed and locked before using. Use the pivot point for centre of balance. Always inspect the ladder before using. Take weight off the ladder to turn the cogs on stabilisers. Always secure the ladder to the roof rack. Branach is now Telstra's preferred supplier for a range of extension ladders. A replacement program is now in place. Any extension ladders identified as unfit for use can also be replaced. Telstra's safe use of ladders documentation and work instructions are currently being reviewed. At this stage, all of the current procedures remain in place, in particular, the requirement to use guy ropes, belly ropes, and ladder securing techniques. Remember, safety first.